In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with symbols in Microsoft Excel efficiently. Whether you're looking to insert something as simple as a check mark or as unique as a Greek letter, there are several methods to do it. We'll cover some of the fastest and most effective ways to seamlessly insert and use these symbols in your worksheets. Let's start with the ribbon method, which is perhaps the most straightforward for most users. First, open your Excel worksheet and click on the Insert tab, which you'll find on the top of your screen. Once there, you'll see the symbol icon in the Symbols group. Clicking this icon will open a dialog box. In this dialog, you'll be able to choose different symbols by selecting both a font and a subset. This setup allows you to browse through a variety of symbols, from simple arrows to fractions and more esoteric options. To insert a symbol into your active cell, just double-click on your desired symbol and then click Close to finish up. It's a quick and simple way, especially when you prefer a visual selection of symbols. Now, moving on to keyboard shortcuts and codes, which is another efficient method for inserting symbols, and particularly useful for those who enjoy using their keyboard for faster navigation. If you're on a Windows system, you have the option to use Alt codes. Simply hold down the Alt key and type in a number on your numeric keypad. For instance, you can insert the micro symbol by holding Alt and typing 230. It's a fast way to insert common symbols if you memorize the codes. Additionally, Excel functions like char and unichar can be useful here. For example, if you type a char 1 to 76 into a cell, you'll get the degree sign. Using unichar 8734 will give you the infinity symbol. These functions provide a great deal of flexibility and can be part of formulas if needed. Lastly, you can use the good old copy-paste method or employ character maps. If you find a symbol online or in a Word document, copying and pasting it into your Excel sheet is simple. On a Windows computer, using the character map application can help you browse and select symbols, offering a visual interface similar to the ribbon method. Mac users aren't left out, as you can make use of the character viewer. Access this by selecting Edit, then Emoji and Symbols, or simply use the FN key along with another key combo which allows you to view and insert your chosen symbol. By mastering these methods, you'll be able to choose whichever suits your workflow best, streamlining your tasks in Excel. Whether through quick shortcuts or browsing through a visual menu, integrating symbols into your data doesn't have to be a chore. As you practice these methods, the more naturally they will fall into your regular Excel usage. So go ahead, try them out, and see which works best for you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Excel tips and tricks.